The BMW R 1300 GS Adventure was officially launched globally at the Motorrad Days event in Bavaria, Germany. Sunday, July 7, 2024. BMW's new Adventure bike officially replaces the R 1250 GS Adventure in the previous generation. The BMW R 1300 GS Adventure features a headlight design with X-shaped DRLs, as well as a radar cruise control system with collision warning, lane change warning. In addition, the BMW R 1300 GS Adventure has a flat aluminum tank on the right and left sides. The capacity is much higher than the previous product of 19 liters to 30 liters, making the weight increase to 269 kg. With a large tank, the R 1300 GS Adventure looks more manly, so that the impression of adventure is more pronounced in addition to the LED lights on the right and left sides, making the motorcycle look wider. In addition, the impression of adventure is even more pronounced with several special mounts to install tank bags, rear boxes and panniers on the side. The total luggage that can be carried reaches 73.5 liters. Even one of them is equipped with a USB plug, which is very useful for those of you who like adventure. The BMW 1300 Adventure uses a suspension that drops automatically. There are 4 riding modes that can be set as standard, including hill hold control, cornering ABS, and more. There is also an enduro riding mode option, perfect for off-roading or adventure riding. The selected riding mode will also adjust the suspension automatically. The system is called dynamic suspension adjustment, so the strength of the front and rear suspension can be adjusted while the bike is running. The BMW 1300 Adventure also has a very sophisticated technology called Automated Shift Assistant, ASA. This technology works for fast and automatic gear shifting. BMW's semi-automatic transmission. This comes with manual M mode and automatic drive, D mode. The manual transmission changes gears via a foot lever, but the drive mode allows the electronics to automatically determine the gear change point through a mix of parameters such as RPM,